We're diving into high-stakes transportation, where you need nerves of steel and top-notch engineering to manage these huge loads. Buckle up for an exciting ride. Holy smokes! The truck lost control and toppled onto the cars. God bless the man who narrowly escaped danger. That's a lot of power to control. One wrong move and it could bring down everything in its path. As a seasoned driver, I can't stress this enough. Always check your truck's capabilities before committing to a tough spot. Mid-shift? That's where problems begin. Typical amateur mistake. Causing a large silo to fall completely in the wrong direction. This is why you should hire professionals. Don't waste your money. Maybe he's the son of the god of luck. In the mining world, the Cat 793F is a legend. Whether it's the deep pits of Queensland or any other challenge, this machine handles it like a pro. I love watching these big machines do their thing. It's like watching a giant puzzle get solved. The sight of that sand truck tipping at MGC was alarming. Luckily, everyone emerged unscathed. Thank the heavens. A 90-foot cottonwood trunk is no joke. Glad someone with real expertise took it on. What caused the smoke to billow from this truck? It's a concerning sight, but I'm hoping the driver is safe. You can tell this rescue team knows their stuff. Handling a soft ground recovery like this isn't for amateurs. Wait, did that building disappear in just a few seconds? That machine is like a powerful wizard. It uses steel-like strength to destroy. Those guys aren't just cutting trees, they're defying gravity with a chainsaw. Every move looks calculated, like a dance with nature's giants. think you've got it figured out, but nope. Trees are like, hey, surprise, I'm falling this way now. I can't get over how dangerous this looks. Every second must feel like a gamble for the crew. I honestly have no words to describe how terrible this truck driver is. What was he thinking? How could he even manage to pull that off? Sure, he wanted to turn the truck around. Fine. But you've got to look around first and see if it's even possible to do that, man. The excavator operator carefully positions the cutting jaw. With a sudden hydraulic push, the cutting metal penetrates the body of the B-747V aircraft. The tail section shatters and falls away. Wow, against all odds, that excavator just pulled up a massive Cat 777 truck, 100 tons of raw weight, like it was nothing. The sheer power is jaw-dropping.
Go.
The container fell off the ship and down below, its force causing it to roll, which scared the people, and they managed to run out in time. I guess it had shifted from its position. A friend is someone you can lean on in difficult times. Yeah, the power of the steel beast with its mighty pulling force and those epic flips. This process exemplifies synergy between human expertise and automated precision. However, any deviation, however minor, can compromise the entire operation. You can clearly see what the VSE steering system is capable of, performing turns that you could never achieve without it. VSE is a leader in advanced, innovative steering and suspension solutions, enabling users to achieve sustainable benefits from their transportation equipment. This applies to both trucks and trailers. Don't be fooled by the seemingly fragile tow vehicle in front of the Komatsu PC200-8 excavator. It may seem light, but it can handle those monstrous weights with ease, despite the intense challenge. Seeing a container truck being pulled up like that is heart-stopping. The tension in the cables alone is enough to make you hold your breath. Absolutely. The sight of a dump truck unloading clay is truly impressive. Wow, this is a heartwarming moment. It's not every day you see such kindness towards a veteran of agriculture. The power of a wheel loader can be a monster, unpredictable, and if the operator is truly reckless, it can become a complete mess. It feels slow, right? But you learn quickly that rushing isn't an option. Even the strongest excavator needs to take it slow for safety's sake. Reminds me of the old days when we used to drive through some crazy roads. Those front tires sure look like they've got a life of their own. I have witnessed many scenes like this. It's a harsh reminder. Never underestimate the power of water. Machines are strong, but nature is stronger. Oh my God! Hold up, that trailer needs to go. You can't properly operate the machinery with it hanging off the side. First rule, separate the trailer, then get to work. That excavator working on the river looks like a giant at play, making hard work look effortless. Experiences that challenge the limits of machinery. This tractor is definitely cool, but it's lacking the power takeoff shaft needed for full functionality with different attachments. It's remarkable how technology has evolved. Now almost any vehicle can tackle the tasks that used to be done exclusively by tractors.